Hello, we're gonna work on Wildlife 3rd grade worksheet lesson 4 today. So to start with, first section we're gonna find the sum. So for number 1, we're gonna do 347 plus 91. So 7 plus 1 is 8, and 4 plus 9 is 13, but we're gonna carry 1 to the next one. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so 438. For number 2, we have 919 plus 489. So we have 9 plus 9, that's 18, but we're going to carry 1 again. So 1 plus 8 is 9, but there is plus 1, so it should be 10. So we're going to carry 1 again, and 9 plus 4 is 13, but we have 1 here again, so 14. So it's 1408. For number 3, we have decimals, but since the first number is same with each other, we're just going to simply add it. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 3 is 11, so we'll carry 1 here, and 5 plus 5 is 10, but there's plus 1 again, so 11. And we're going to move 2 decimal places because both of them have 2 decimal places here. For number 5, we have 831 plus 226. Since 1 plus 6 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 8 plus 2 is 10. For second section, write plus or minus to complete the number sentence. So we're going to start with number 1. 69 blank 31 equals 38. So we can tell that 38 plus 31 is 9 here, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So it's if you add them together, that's 69. So in order to make the number equal to 38 at the end, we need to do subtraction. For number 2, we have 5,712 blank 31 equals 5,743. So we know that we're going to add them together to see what happens again. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 3 is 7, and just 57. But the number doesn't match, so this means that this should be subtraction, because when you subtract it, this should be addition, I mean. Because when you add them together, it should be equal to this number, as 5,712 is less than 5,743. And when you add them together, these two numbers, it's greater than the original number here, which means it doesn't make sense. So for number 3, 10 blank 10 equals 0. And when you subtract the same numbers, you get 0, right? So it should be subtraction here. For number 8, we have 34 blank 24 equals 10. So we're going to do 10 plus 24 to see if it matches the original number. So if it matches, then it means that we do the subtraction. So 10 plus 24, so 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 34. So it matches actual numbers, so we'll do the subtraction here. And for number 7, we have 74 blank 47 equals 17 plus 10. So we'll perform this one first. So 70 plus 10 is 7 plus 0 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this means that we're going to subtract it, because 47 plus 27, 7 plus 7 is 14. We're going to move 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and plus 1 is 7. Next section, we use rounding to estimate the sum. So for number 1, we'll round up 206 to 200, because it's closer to 200 than it is to 300. And for the next one, we will round up 668 to 700, because that's closer to 700 than it is to 600. So when you add them together, it should be 900. And this is a about sign. And number 2, 712 plus 219. So 2 plus 9 is 11. We'll carry here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And 7 plus 2 is 9. For number 5, before that, so we have to round this up, right? So this is the actual answer if you want to compare it. And when you round the 712, it should be 700 since it's closer to 700 than it is to 800. And we'll round up 219 to 200 too. So when you add it, it's gonna be about 900. And it's still accurate, right? Because 931 is still closer to 900. So, and number 6, we have 4,709 plus 980. So we're gonna round 4,709 to 5,000 because 4,000, that's way less than what we have from it is to 5,000. And for 980, we're gonna round it up to 1,000. So we're gonna add them together now, and it's gonna be 6,000. And for word problems, number 1, a library has 413 books. It receives a donation of 41 more books. How many books does this library have now? This is original. And this is 41 more books. So plus 41. So when you add them together, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 4 is just here. So plus and 454. Number 2, there are 256 at a concert. Later, 132 more people arrive. How many people are at the concert now? So I do addition because it's more people. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So plus and 388. Number 3, a truck was carrying 789 boxes. After delivering some boxes, 415 boxes were left in the truck. How many boxes were delivered? So we know that this is the original number and this is leftover. Just like here. So let's check what the middle number is going to be because we don't know it yet, and we can just do it by subtraction. The original number with the result number. So 789 minus 415. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. And we know that this got fewer than the number or the original number 789. So put subtraction and set 374. And lastly, number 4, a store had 564 toys in stock. So original number. They sold 237 toys during a sale. So negative. So minus 237 because it's gone now. They bought it already. How many toys are left in stock? So we're just going to subtract it. But since 4 is less than 7, we're going to borrow 1 from 6. So let's get 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 327. And that's it for our lesson today. Thank you for listening.